Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, I want to make a Black History inspired centerpiece that will go with the backdrop that I have here. Before we get into the video, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel for a variety of DIY projects. Let me start off by letting you know the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need 3 of these candle holders, I believe. You're gonna need 2 of these shorter vases. You're gonna need this one taller vase. I did get one because I want to have some variation in the height. My ribbons come from Walmart. I have the red, the black, and green. I have some E6000 to attach the ribbon to the vase. I have some scissors, and then I also have these floating candles that I got from Amazon. So I'm gonna use, they're not real floating candles, they're battery operated. So these are the things that you're gonna need. We're gonna go ahead and get started. A tray to this centerpiece, and I used some gems that I had. The tray comes from Dollar Tree. The gems that I have here come from Dollar Tree. So I just wanted to go over what the colors represent. The red represents the blood that was shed. The black represents our race. and then the green represents the land. And then with me adding the diamonds or the gems, I would say that represents the riches of Africa. And then I also, with this being on a gold tray, I would say the gold represents also the riches as well. Please comment below and let me know what you think of this centerpiece. Also, feel free to share my video. And again, if you have not had the chance to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do so. I thank you so much for viewing my video today. Until I see you next time.